Hello, welcome. This is 1996, question number 4, still on trigonometry, episode 19. We are to change 145 degree to radian. If you've watched the episode to where we are, you know that we've talked about the trigonometric measure, angle measure, how we convert from radian to degree. So I will not pick the formula, I will just pick the understanding we have that if we have 1 degree is giving us pi over 180 as in radiant. Then if I have been given 145 degree, 1 is this, so it means I have to multiply. So 145 degree will now multiply pi on 180. And let's put that on our calculator and see. So this will be giving you 29 pi divided by what? 36. And looking at that, this answer become the correct one. The C become the correct answer. So I'm sure if you watch the episode, this will be just a 4 seconds calculation for you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.